let's just recap why we need methylation. Well, it's critically important for turning genes on and off, specifically off. But specifically, it's going to methylate DNA. So for fertility, there's nothing more important than being able to methylate DNA. If you can't do that, you will not have a successful pregnancy because you'll repeatedly miscarry. And that means both males and females need to methylate their DNA. It's really important for our aging process. It's helping with detox. It's processing hormones, particularly toxic estrogens, and getting rid of them. It's supporting our immune system. Importantly, very importantly, it's helping with the stress response. And we often find people with MTHFR, they have a stress response that's over exaggerated because they just don't have enough methyls to turn it off. It's also really important with energy. So we said that creatine needs a lot of methyls. Well, guess what helps supply energy and ATP? Creatine. It reduces histamine. Why? Because histamine breakdown relies on SAMe. We don't have enough methyls, we're going to be more allergic. It helps with our cell membrane because our key fat, phosphatidylcholine, again, needs methyls to make it. And it also helps with all our neurotransmitters. So the biochemical pathways that we're talking about are fundamental to our well-being. And so here's environmentally some of the things, like we said earlier, that can affect methylation. And unfortunately, it's the very essence of the exposures that we are exposed to every single day. Toxins, heavy metals, lead and mercury, stress, and that can be physical. So if you are pushing your body to the limit every day and you don't have methyls being repleted, you will end up with a methylation deficiency. And we know many elite athletes end up with depression, anxiety, chronic illness. Think of those triathletes that are pushing all the time. Many of them are constantly sick. Aging, unfortunately, our biochemistry doesn't work as well. We don't have enough B12 because we don't have enough hydrochloric acid. We don't have enough creatine to support muscles. So there's many things as we age, and obviously with aging, more and more people are on medications that are actually affecting methylation as well.